Welcome to the final lessons of this course and most exciting one in lessons 8. Today we'll plan, build and complete your own final video project. Whether you are using Canva, CapCut or Premiere Pro, this is your chance to apply everything you have learned. Let's start by understanding what makes a good final project. Okay, so let's start with planning with the ChatGPT and let's move into the browsers. So here we are in the browsers and here I have to open up the ChatGPT. So now let's go with the ChatGPT and let's try to plan with the AI. So and the first one is like generating idea with the ChatGPT and not sure where to be or begin. So let's use ChatGPT to brainstorm your project. So let's ask the ChatGPT like ask anything like if I'm gonna say give me five creative, let's say the creative project or video project, let's say um, and let's say the ideas for beginners. Let's go with beginner editor using, and we want to say the with using CapCut or focused on lifestyles. Okay, so let's say the lifestyle or social media. So let's say the media and social media content. Okay, and then press the enter. So let's wait with the ChatGPT or outputs over here. So here ChatGPT provides us like here are five creatives video projects idea perfect for beginners editors using like CapCut, all focused on lifestyles or social media content. So each idea includes a style, suggestions, and features to practice. The first one is it's a the or aesthetics morning routine. So this is the many blocks. So like here the concept is capture your morning from wake up to copy in 30 to 60 seconds and focus on claiming visuals, aesthetic shots, and background music. And here, CapCut skill to practice like you need to practice it up with the speed controls like slow motions for copy, pouring, and fast forward brushing, and also adding ambient musics and sound effect, and use the filters like warm tones or in more minimal styles and overlay text for timestamps or notes. Okay, so this is ideal for TikTok, Instagram reels and YouTube shorts. And for the another one you can find like outfit changes transitions. So like here this concept like film 3 to 5 outfit transitions using trending transitions like jump, cut, spin or snap. So make it fun and energetic. So here we need to practice with the CapCut skills, and this is ideal for Instagram reels and also the TikTok. And let's go to the number 3, and it's kind of like what I eat in a day. So this is the quick recipe montage, and its concept is showcase breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks in like 15 to 60 seconds with quick clips, levels, and chill musics. And CapCut skill should be there, and this is ideal for TikToks and YouTube shorts. And for the for one like Instagram stories or aesthetic, so daily or moments, and concept is like or complete daily moments like coffee or journaling, walking sunsets, and into like 15 seconds style reel with a or polaroid or film look. Okay, and this is ideal for like Instagram stories, reels, and Pinterest video pins. And like the last one is day in my life as a student or the freelancers, like time or recaps. And this concept is document your work day with timestamp clips from working up to finishing work, including breaks and meals. Okay, so and that's it. So and if you don't like this concept, so you can easily replace it by using and try again with the this one, and it will be provide the another one like aesthetics morning routines like the this one. So you can find like the this project idea for the beginners editors. Okay, so turn idea like, or you can use the three into a storyboard with 3 cents and music suggestions and the editing tips. Okay, so and that's it. And now the next one is the script and the short list with ChatGPT. So once you pick an idea, like if I gonna go to the previous one, and let's say if I gonna go to, or let's use over here, and also or now use ChatGPT to help plan your shorts and dialogues or the text. Okay, so if I gonna use something with according to here, so if I gonna go to like uh, three outfits or over here outfits one days style lists. So if I gonna, or let's go with the previous one. So here I have, if I gonna go to like what let's say the outfit change transitions, or if I gonna go to, let's try to find out so what I gonna do. So let's do with the day in my life as a student and also the freelancers. So what can I do? So let's use with, or I'm gonna use with the chat GPT. So let's say that create a 30-second, or let's say we're gonna use second script and short list for or I'm gonna do for or let's say the productivity. If I gonna say the productivity tips, or let's say the video using Canva or CapCut. Okay, so let's go with the CapCut and then press the enter. So and now ChatGPT promoting us with the 30-second script and shorts or short list for a productivity tips video. So this is ideal for editing in Canva or CapCut. So this format is perfect for like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. So here, the first one is it say the durations. It should 30 seconds, and format is 9 by 16. So this is for the vertical, and here target audience is student, freelancers, remote workers, and tools we can use the Canva, also the CapCut. Okay, so and here if I'm gonna go to, and here we have the this one, and this is the first one is it say the word script is here, like first one, want to get more done without feeling overwhelmed. So add a text on screens like productivity hack you need to try. Okay, so here you can do it the this one, and the here this the script is another like the problem, or like voiceover or talking set. You start the day with 10 tasks and finish only 2, like sound familiars, and this is like overlay quick clips of message to do list for distractions, coffee on text. And also the next one, the another ones and the durations is like the 11 to 20 seconds. So solutions like here what I use, then 1 2 3 5 rules I big task, one big text, three medium, and five small. So it's simple and you stay focused. So you need to do show a Canva design to do list with like 135 layout, zoom in one each sections. Okay, so and you need to do so demo or like here demo or visual example. Here's my plan today, and here this the suggestions, so what you can do, and here is the short list like what you can do. So this is the short types like talking head, self cam, and this is the hooks like descriptions, statement, and notes is bright, lightens, and confidence deliver. And this is the time stamp, and this is our the short types, descriptions, and so the notes. Okay, and this last one like the 30 seconds call to actions text screen, and save and follow more or and branded and screens like Canva or CapCut templates. Okay, so and that's it. Now let's choose your editing platform based on your skills and goal and the type of project you are making. So here, if I'm gonna go to the CapCut, so let's move into the CapCut. So here we are in the CapCuts over here, and the next thing is what can I do? Let's delete it, and I want to use this one for the TikTok or TikTok Reels. So what can I do? And let's also trim it up. Like first one I have already used it, and I can do so. Like here I have the simple or the TikTok's video, and for that I want to modify this one to let's move into the simple one. Or what can I do? So let's select it, and we have these ones over here, and we can easily use this one or moved into as like if I gonna go to the export, and let's say we gonna want to change these ones, like you can go with the different styles, or you can change the region or the expert or expect ratios over here. So or what can I do? So let's move into, or I'm gonna do, so let's go ahead, or I have the this one, or let's modify it over here, and let's change it like instead of 16:9 I will use the 9 by 16. Okay, and save it. So and that's it, we have just converted or switched this one into like the TikTok styles. Okay, so this is kind of like the our morning routines video with that, or you can go add the text overlay, and also you can add here the or audios. So for example, let's go to over here, and if I gonna go to, and let's say the routine, and let's say the routine block day or over here, and let's try to use something as for the example, or I'm gonna use the another one. So let's use this one. So and that's it, and the next step is I can do so, and here it's now the few seconds. So and before that I want to do, I can also edit these clips over here one by one. So this is the etagal, or this is the fast forward. You can see like this one as like this one. So now what can we do? So let's use over here, and it's now we're gonna use this one at least the few seconds, or we have like the 4 seconds over here, or you can easily increase, or if I gonna select, so let's spell it out, or use the control plus B to spell it up, and now I can use something like this one over here, and that's it we have over here. And the next thing is I can do, so let's or I'll just do, or let's use it over the little bits over here, and I'll do one by one. So let's use it over here again, let's move it over here. And the next thing is I will do, so let's spell it these clips with the control plus B. And now or I will just undo it again, they are over here. Let's use it, let's use it control plus B, okay, and delete it for now. So and that's it, we have now the 42 seconds. So what can I do, I will do, or I will just trim it, or let's trim it up again over here. And let's go ahead, and it's the or now. So let's, or what can I do, so it's now the 35 seconds. So let's easily trim it up and make it the 30 seconds over here. So I'm gonna do, so let's use it again, and let's say again, and that's it, so we have almost the 30 seconds reels over here, okay. So and you can go ahead with the fade in and also the fade out if you want to use it over here. And this is our the first TikTok's reels over here. Or you can give here the text, so let's go to the text over here and add the text like we have just say. And this is our the text I want to do, so let's use it over here. And I'm gonna want to use like, let's say the morning or morning routine, let's say the routine, okay. So and that's it, we have just use, let's say the morning routines over here. And this is for the examples we have just used over here, okay. Or I'm gonna just move it over here. So and that's it, so now let's try to play it, so how it is come. So and that's it. And now let's move into the Canva. And we're gonna do, and we want to create like brand promos or like over here. So what can we do, we're gonna create a promo or videos for fictional scape with the text, transitions, musics and motions, graphics using Canva timeline. So here we are in the Canva, and we can just try to find out like, let's say the promo, or let's say the video, or we can just go to the product promo videos like the this one. And now it suggested the few for promo over here. And let's go with, if I gonna say like the cafe with, or if I gonna say, so let's go to, and let's go with the this one, and let's try to find out over here. And that's it, we have the its copy times like the this one, or I'm gonna use over here, okay. So and the just click on the customize these templates. And now we are moving to customize this Canva from the for promo videos or for the fictional scapes or cafe. So and here we have the there's one, you can easily change here or by selecting, and you have the options to change here, okay. So by easily, and also here it comes with the like almost the 1 minutes over here. So the perfect for designers and social media messengers creating branded contents from there, okay. So and that's it with the Canva. So now let's move on to the Premiere Pro. So if I gonna go to now the Premiere Pro, so here, or if I gonna go to again the Premiere Pro, and here we are in the Premiere Pro, and from here this is professionals project and advanced editings, and like the or you are we have the client work over here. So you can see here we have the audios and video tracks over here, and this is the advanced keyframes I have used over there. Okay, so and here we have for the this one, or you can go with the different colors. So like if you want to use, like go to the lumetri, or like over here we have the options to work with the different colors. So like here, if I gonna go now, you can see the changes in there. Okay, so and that's it. Now that's your chosen tool and plan it your project. So and also let's build it like we can do, like here we have the medias, and we have imported the medias over here. So and here we have imported over here, and also and we have already select the dimensions with or with over here, like our dimensions is 1000, or like the we set up like 19 by 20, or like 1000 or 1090 by 20, or 1920 by 1080. And here for the YouTubes, and for the reels you can set up like the 1080 by 1920. Okay, so here we have arranged it, and we have or work with the different transitions in there. Okay, so and now when everything is done and you can do, so just hit on the export it. Like if I work with the export, go to the medium, and now we have the this one to work with. So here we have the width and the height over here. You can easily change here the difference one. So if you're gonna want to use, like you can switch to this one, like you can go with the different one, like you can use 1080 by 1920 for the reels. Okay, so when everything is done, you can easily hit on the export. Okay, and also and your final or your final video is not just practice, it's a showcase. So let's add it to their portfolio. So we can do by using, and let's go to the our browsers, and you can easily create a cloud folder by using or use or cloud folder, or use like the Google Drive, or use the Behance, like if you're gonna say the Behance over here, or you can use the Notions, like this is the or our project over here, or you can go with like the Notions, if you're gonna say the Notions over here, Notions portfolio. So this is your calendars. So let's go to, and if I'm gonna go to the calendars, and here we have the free calendars or get Notions calendars, and let's continue with my accounts over here. And also, and now we are moving to the there, and we can also write here the short project descriptions. Like if I'm gonna go to with the this one, and let's continue with the Google permissions. So let's move into the Google permissions, and I'm gonna just want to use for now. Let's continue, and also let's select or continue all of them, and that's it. We have access calendar and the content. Okay, so for now I can just or we can easily continue with this one, and let's say again we want to sign in with this account, and also let's select all, and let's if I'm gonna go to the continue, and now get started. Okay, so here we have the this one, and you can easily go with like what was the goal, and what tools did you use, and what skills did you apply. Okay, so like here if I'm gonna select like the over here, and you can easily add it like something morning routine reels, and also you can use the CapCut. So whatever you want, you can easily add it over here. And also descriptions, like you can use like more details, like 30 seconds lifestyle reels are created and to practicals mobile editing and text overlay and transitions and planned using ChatGPT promotes and edited on CapCut with trendings audio. Just we have work with the that's one. Okay, so and that's it. You did it. So like here, you can just easily go with, and if you're gonna select over like that this one or before that, so I want to work over here, so you can easily reset like add calendar. So whatever you want, you can go with over here, or notions, you can easily connect with the workspace. Okay, and you have now planned, edited and published your own project. This is a major milestones in your video editing journey, and don't stop here, and keep building your portfolio and experiment with tools and refine your styles. Okay, so and also here, and also would you like me to create the PDF checklist and product brief document next? So you can or use, or you can easily download it over here. Okay, and also submit your final video into the course committee, so when you workings with the this plant. Okay, so and that's it. And the next one is the final project and the portfolio development. So here we have the this final one, and that's it. So and we have chosen the final project, and now that you have chosen tools the planned your project over there. So